iṣẹ́ yẹn ò dá. The way you dey that way dey happen.
See, man.
We are still talking about why building collapse, okay? So today I'm going to talk about maintenance, okay? But before I talk about maintenance, I want you to watch this video closely.
Iṣẹ́ yẹn ò dá.
My God.
Iṣẹ́ yẹn ò dá. The way you dey that way dey happen.
See, man, describe it.
See, this place doesn't even have enough cover. Concrete cover is not, there's no concrete cover. Bros.
I don't know there. See, yes. One come fall. Okay. As he fall, he hit ground. Benjamin can't tell me, say, in the suspect, say, like, anything they.
See, there are more cracks. See this one, this here will fall. See this one will fall.
Okay, what you just saw there just happened recently to one of my very good friends, an architect. A particular apartment, you know, he rented at somewhere around Festac, you know, and he just went into sleep, and you know, got so blessed, he started feeling some of the debris, some sand dropping from the, you know, from the slab, little by little. So he became so uncomfortable, you know. So when he felt uncomfortable, he had to call his friend, who is also my friend too. Both of them were together in that house, okay? So he had to call him and say, look, stand up, let us leave this house. I don't know what is entering my eyes. This thing is dropping. And the moment they just left, the entire slab fell down. Now imagine that they were already sleeping and this thing happened. So one of the problems that we have that makes some of our buildings do not last is because of poor maintenance. Poor maintenance, okay? And some of the designs people do, okay, and you see people passing pipes through the slab, through the block walls, passing pipe through beams, passing pipe through the slab. All these things are not good. The best thing for you to do is have a pipe duct, have a trunk where your pipes can pass through. The pipe should be completely out of any structural member, okay? Because the problem now is, after so many years, that particular pipe, your PVC pipe or whatever you're using, will definitely wear out. It will wear out, okay? And when it wears out, the glue that is used to glue them together will start giving way. The material itself, the PVC plastic itself, you know, so many things happening to it, okay? So over a period of time, all these things will wear out. So it is better to pass your pipe through a pipe duct where you can easily do maintenance. You don't have to pass it through the walls or pass it through the slab, because if you look at the collapse very carefully, you will see that a particular portion of the slab just collapsed, you know. All the steel in that area has already rusted. That is to tell you that it has been exposed for a long time and water has been soaking that floor for a long time. When I went to the scene, I had to check that the concrete was still sound, still durable. Okay, so what happened exactly was that water had been soaking that material for a long time. The steel in itself lose that grip. The steel did not have that tendency anymore, you know, to withstand whatever pressure was going on that slab. So at the end of the day, that very portion of the slab went down, and there are other marks. There are marks all over the slab, which definitely with time that would also happen, because what I discovered was that at the top of that slab, it's a bathroom, you know. There was no proper insulation of the floor. So because of that, water is seeping into the slab, water is seeping into the material, and the reinforcement is rusting day after day. These are the problems we have. Poor maintenance is a problem. If you cannot do proper maintenance in the building, then you are bound to have all these problems. So you who is an architect, you who is an engineer, when you're doing designs for people, try to have a pipe duct for your pipes. Do not pass pipe through walls. Do not pass pipe through the slabs. It doesn't make sense. After a period of time, those material will start wearing out, and you start having problems on those buildings. You see the wall every time is soaked. You see the slab every time is soaked, because water is already soaking the entire materials inside. It doesn't make sense. So proper maintenance is also very important. Time to time, routine maintenance has to be conducted on the building. In a situation where you see that, okay, these pipes are no longer working well, or you know, you're observing leakages, you need to do proper maintenance for those things, okay? It's just like somebody that is sick. When you're sick, you need a doctor, you need drugs for you to feel better. So the moment you allow those problems to remain there, I don't know the other damages that is happening. One day, it will just happen like this, you know, and God forbid, nothing will happen to you anyway, okay? So please, this is very important. Proper maintenance is very important. Share this video for other people to learn.